Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sure your newly launched WordPress website is ready to be indexed by search engines. Now this is a setting that is generally checked off by default, and we are going to want to uncheck it so that search engines have the ability to index the site, which allows your website to then show up on search engine results. So once you're logged into your WordPress website, just navigate straight to the dashboard. And from there, on the left-hand side, you're going to want to hover over where it says Settings and then go to Reading from the drop-down menu. Scroll down a little bit and you will see Search Engine Visibility. And you'll see that the checkbox is currently marked off, which is discouraging search engines from indexing the site. So go ahead and uncheck that and then click Save Changes. This is something that you're going to want to do as soon as you launch your website. I'm not going to save the changes in this case just because this is not a live site that we want to show up on Google. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.